world of cars. Today, we are going to talk about the new Audi R8 Coupé V10 GT RWD, the latest addition to Audi Sport GmbH's collection. 12 years after the premiere of the first Audi R8 GT, the brand is launching the second edition of this exclusive super sports car, the new Audi R8 Coupé V10 GT RWD. With a 5.2-liter, naturally aspirated V10 engine, the output is boosted to 456 kilowatts, 620 PS, making it the most powerful rear-wheel drive unit in the history of the brand. But that's not all. Audi has added a new 7-speed dual-clutch transmission for faster shifts, and the new torque rear driving mode allows drivers to choose their own level of ESC support. This enables controlled and precise oversteering, and the 7-stage torque rear can be adjusted via the control satellite on the steering wheel. The new R8 GT is limited to 333 units worldwide, and new and exclusive exterior and interior features pay homage to the first generation of the R8 GT. These include sequential numbering, special light alloy wheels, and an interior in a combination of black and red. The new Audi R8 Coupé V10 GT RWD will be available at dealerships from 2023, with prices starting at €225,000. Compared to the R8 V10 Performance RWD with 570 PS, the new R8 GT Performance has been increased to bring it up to the same level as the Quattro model. The new R8 GT accelerates to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in 3.4 seconds, reaches the 200 km per hour, 124 miles per hour, mark in just 10.1 seconds, and reaches a top speed of up to 320 km per hour, 199 miles per hour. For the first time, Audi Sport GmbH is offering torque rear mode. Slippage is controlled on the rear axle by the traction control system, ASR, which is part of the ESC. 7 characteristic curves are stored in the ASR, offering different levels of support. Depending on the road conditions, drivers can choose between levels 1 and 7 of the torque rear mode. Various measures have resulted in a weight reduction of around 20 kilograms, 44 pounds, to a total of 1,570 kilograms, 3,461 pounds, without driver. The exclusive 20-inch, 10-spoke wheels, which can be combined with high-performance Michelin Sport Cup 2 tires, play a key role in reducing weight. The lightweight forged wheels are based on Audi's motorsport vehicles. To differentiate the new Audi R8 V10 GT RWD from its relatives, the special model is equipped with exclusive add-on parts. The first distinguishing feature is the black R8 GT lettering on the rear. With the carbon aero kit in high gloss, which was developed in the wind tunnel, the package generates better stability on the road, and therefore also faster cornering speeds. The interior is crafted in a combination of black and red, with red belts, only available in the R8 GT from 12 years ago. The floor mats in the R8 bucket seats feature the lettering of the special model in black and red. So, that was all about the new Audi R8 Coupé V10 GT RWD. This amazing supercar has already made Audi fans excited, and we hope it will do the same for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on cars.